Hey guys, this is Mr. Golia. Sorry I couldn't be with you guys today, home with my little guy. So we're just taking a look at the QOD. There are a couple places we could slip up because this is a little bit different than normal. So all you're going to do is go back to your driving questions. You're going to select the one that you think needs the most work. For example, I put this one in red. That one needs the most help. That's the one I'm going to use then. So I would answer that for question number 2, and then I'm going to submit that answer. Then I'm going to go on to the classmate responses, and I'm going to give 2 comments to 2 different people and give them helpful feedback so they can improve theirs. Please note, one way these are going to get messed up is if we're just repeating what others said. Please don't do that. It's a waste of time. And the other thing is, if once there's 2 people, sometimes people will still respond to it. Don't respond to it. So let's make sure we get everyone some feedback, and you guys can communicate with each other in your teams to help make sure that happens. But no one should have more than 3 comments in there. Okay, so those are some possibilities for your answer to question 1 as well. So step 1 is to get this QOD finished. When you're done with that, you're going to go on to ITW number 6, the paraphrasing. You'll go through questions 1 through 6, or excuse me, 1 through 8. The application is always the most important part, so make sure you're putting in some good answers there. Finally, you can do your citation using this article at the bottom here. Then you can go on to your formative graphic design, and if you're finished with that, we're starting to see people doing their summative as well. And if by some stroke of genius, miracle, you're done with that, you can even work on your artifact for Friday's presentations. So please have a good class, respect the sub, and have a great day. Thanks for all your help.